It's called the Akira Underground Saw, Gear Saw. That's either, that's called a Steel Bondage Cube 3 Instant Saw. Or you can toss it up in the air, or you can put it in a bag and solve it that way, if you want to. There's finding an instant saw and toss-up saw. That's still a Steel Bondage routine. Alright, this is Steel Bondage Plus. He said you'll find ways to make your own pattern. Jesus help me figure this pattern out. I made a wrong turn. Okay, I know what I was doing. Alright, try it again. There. I think I know what I'm doing now. Give him a bunch. Yeah, got it right this time. This is a part of my mix, and part of, well, if I can find it, I'll be one of the, I think this is a Steel Bondage Slow Motion song. It's called the Imagination Song. Steel Bondage Cube 3. Imagine it. 20 moves away. 5 moves away. 3, 2, 1. color change. Pick a color, say they pick yellow. So it all mixed. See what it's done. So it's still mixed. And then watch as your card color comes into view. Well, there. Comes in. Well, I overshot it, but there. I'll show what I'm doing. Things get funny. Watch if your color comes into view. Okay. And if you pick blue, watch the color totally come in to view. Alright, doesn't matter what color. Can't wait to get that new setup. Kevin G and Colin Cause Volume 1. I ordered it for my Christmas one. Bob's going to put it in there. But it's hopefully they will send it to Bob, and then Bob can give it to me, and then I can look it up and take my camera and video record it and put it in my file with all my other videos of Stephen Bundy's Cube 3 in my computer file, and Crazy Sam Solve lecture video, which Sam Hung and Henry Harriet's lecture video, Stephen Bundy's Cube 3 lecture video, and then if I finally get the KFG Colin Cause, whenever it comes in Bob's Cabood's house mail, then I can get the information, record it, and put it in my file, in my computer file here, and I'll have that lecture video in file. Okay, I have the Decepticon and 446 mix, plus everything else that comes with Volume 1. It'll be the icing on the cake. Decepticon 446 mix is the main one, but the others sound pretty good too. That comes with Volume 1. There's a lot of volumes, but Volume 1 is the icing on the cake, cherry on the top. The Decepticon and the 446 mix. Okay, this is a Eddie Back mix. It's a pretty good mix. Then I have my mix. And then do the Eddie Back move. I've gotten a little faster with it. It's like that gear saw. The new family with their 2 boys. I do this. I go, he's, how do you do that? Then I showed him my slow motion. He goes, ah. It's good to know Ira Post is getting into losing magic tricks too, and so does PJ Parker and all them. This is the part one of the routines that Crazy Sam Solve, Sam Hung routine that has also Henry Harris in there. That Henry Harris did the Venom Cube and Rubik's 360, Rubik's Instacube, Rubik's Insta-Light. Well, you get the idea. Rubik's Cube and bottle and stuff like that. Alright. Craig Petty and his son Ryan Petty get a lot of Henry Harriet's products, including Venom Cube and Cube in a Bottle. Let's see. This is called the Expansion Solve by Crazy Sam Solve. I can remember that, the Expansion Solve, because our church is going to expand soon. Have a garage to fit all the buses and golf cart, battery powered golf cart in there, and get rid of all the cage and barbed wire and surveillance camera to it, and lock it all up, out of sight, out of mind. A children's playground. The ladies can pick what they want for the new nursery area. And Pastor said people already put for the gymnasium fellowship hall combo. They want pickleball, and it's going to be a health place too. And the area you come in to the church, they're going to get rid of that because it's dangerous. Put it more closer to Lenora and her brother's house over that way. I'm sitting there doing this, I don't even know if I got that right. Oh yeah, I do got it right, that's right, yeah. Let's see, next. See we're going to expand. That's a routine, part of the Crazy Sam Solve routine. Now this is part of the Greg Wilson. Anyway, the church area that we have the service at, the main one, that's going to be the new fellowship hall, plus the first ever gymnasium, plus a health clinic. And the fellowship hall we have now, they're going to tear that down to make room for the new church, where it goes to fit 700 people upward. And Bob Scopa said, you know, Chrysler Hall, and we've been there for Copperfield shows, yeah. And I mentioned Virginia, our public school children, activities to Virginia Symphony, stuff like that. Yeah, Chrysler Hall. And now I can say that when I took my youngest nephew with the Story family to see Mickey Mouse Magic Show, but I took my oldest nephew to Copperfield show for the last time, because that's the last time Copperfield and his crew, Losing Crew, performed there. And that was the 13 people vanished and portals, and I was praying to Jesus that he would do that. And he had made his appearance in the shadow box illusion. Normally it's in the crystal clear double wall apparent crystal box upward illusion. Copperfield put a double wall in it. It's the same one he used for the opening of the China special. For the China special, he used Indiana Jones' Temple of Doom music because it sounded like China or Japan music. But for every time he made an appearance at Chrysler Hall, he would appear in that crystal smoke chamber to Corey Hart's song, I Wear My Sunglasses at Night. But later on he changed it to Shadowbox Pet Shop Boys One More Chance. But when Eugene saw the Shadowbox motorcycle, it was Magic Carpet Ride by Steppenwolf appear in the motorcycle. Okay, Greg Wilson, the youngest son, and then Mike Wilson, the oldest son, Mark Wilson, and Annie Arnell. Gregory Wilson came up with a routine for the Rubicon routine. The Rubicon and the Venom Cube is similar, but made completely different. Let's see, go to YouTube channel, Dewberry or something, Duneberry. He's a kid's magician, and he teaches a lot of close-up magic, including his version of Rubicon. And Brenton Williams showed me how close I was at guessing at the Venom Cube. I had the right idea, but I was off on one part of it. Okay, I'll get back to the Gregory Wilson. This is Gregory Wilson's routine. Well, I know what I'm doing. I'll be doing good. There. You see, it's all mixed. Then I mix it some more. Hope I did it right. I did it some more. It's mixed up more. Okay. See, it's all mixed. I hope I did it right. Here we go. Here goes anything. Yeah, whoops. I did it right. Yeah. And then I got the Stephen Brundage behind the back solve. First I'll mix it. See that it's mixed everywhere. I think I did it right. Yeah. And I do it behind my back. And solve. And if I want to, I could do it this way, show it mixed, and mix it some more. You can use any kind of mix you want. Henry Harris mix, Stephen Brundage routine, his mixes, Crazy Samson mixes, Kevin Claus, Kevin and Henry, Kev G and Colin Claus, any inside their masters, or you can use the Gregory Wilson, the Rubicon mix. It's up to you. You can do it any way you want. Or you can do all of them together like I did. So it's still mixed to go. And so on. And there's another guy who does mixes too. can use any Akira solves to Daryl was one that started the whole thing called the Enchanted Cube. Doug Henning on Magic on Broadway TV special. He made that Rubik's Cube, Enchanted Cube, real popular. And later on, Tricky Ricky made his own version. Bob bought it for me, and at the time I didn't know any mixes, so I didn't know how to work it. And later on, people on YouTube showed how to make your own also. But then, Stephen Brundage, Akira, Sam Hung, the Crazy Samsung, and then Akira, and Gregory Wilson with Rubicon, and I mentioned Henry here, yes, and his products, and Greg Wilson of Rubicon, and Henry Harris Venom Cube, and Activity and Comic Con routine. But there's another guy that come up with some ideas too. It's in a book, plus website video that you scan your QR code on and go to the website. I can't think of his name. Anyway, and I'm sure Craig Petty, he came up with an idea with cards and cube. And Ryland, he came up with an idea with the Rubik's Cube and cards too. Like Father, like Son, DNA, that's pretty clever. It's like Michaels and Grey Groves and followed in Dad's footsteps. Copperfield's children are following it in their footsteps. Especially his son doing magic tricks. I can't remember his name, Devin or Dylan or Tolton or something like that. I can't remember now. Tolton, Dayton Copperfield. But on social media it's called David Copperfield Jr. But he also does photography too, which his dad also likes to do movie producing.